Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to fix your high ping and pocket loss on Broad Strike. First thing you have to do, this first step we will take now is about the network. This setting will change your DNS, so whenever you enter game, your Broad Strike will automatically go to the nearest server. So how can you do it? Go press Windows keys plus R. After pressing Windows key plus R, enter this code, enter these letters N C A dot CPL. Enter. Go to this Wi-Fi, the one that is already connected. Right click and go to properties. After you arrive in the properties, go to this network protocol version 4 here, this one. Double click it. After it, go to this obtain server DNS. Uncheck this one and check this use following DNS server. Input this code. Put this code. One you shift right 0, go to another one, right 0, go to another one, and write 1, and go to the alternative DNS server and put in this code 8. You go to the next step 8, next step 8, next step 8. After it, press this OK. After it, let's move to the next step. Number 2 is to twist your laptop to give more energy, more RAM, and more CPU to your Broad Strike when you are playing the game. How can you do that? Press Windows key plus I on your laptop, on your keyboard. Go to System. Go to Display. Scroll down and go to this Graphics. After it, you see Broad Strike and the app that you're using to stream your game. For me, I usually play Broad Strike and I usually stream it on TikTok Live. So what you do is, after choosing, let me say for example, you are live here, you don't see any app here, go to this browse here, click this browse and go to your download, look for that your game file. For me, look at my Broad Strike, you click it and say to the specified app was already added. You see it here, so add your own too. After it, you add your TikTok Live, the same. So after adding it, double click on the app. You see this option, press this option and choose this high performance. You see it. If you choose this high performance, it will be using your Nvidia GeForce Destin. If your laptop have it, it will be using it. It will help you to function more and run more faster and smoother. After choosing the high performance, press save. Do the same thing with this. Do the same thing on this your streaming destin. Double click, option, high performance, save it. After it, let's move to the next step. This step we take now will clear your caches on your game. It will clear all the cache on your game. The thing you have to do is to press Windows key plus S. After pressing it, go to this command prompt. After it, put this code ipconfig shift / F N Leo SH DNS. After it, press enter. You see, I have already did it, because when I want to do this video, I have already, because I will test something. If it work for me, then I will tell you people. You see, I've already do it. It since say successfully released the DNS resolve cache. You see it. If you have not do this thing to your laptop, the thing will light a bunch of letter here. After writing it, you write congratulations, you have created your DNS resolve cache. So let's move to the next step. This one, puts in this code NETSH. You shift, write winstock, see, okay. You shift, write reset, enter. You see it, I have already done it. If you have not do it on your laptop, see, if this thing not work for you, don't like my video. If it work for you, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell, so anytime I drop another video, another amazing video like this, you're gonna be the first to get it. Okay, let's keep going. After doing this thing, just click this bad sign and let's move to the next step. Okay, and the next step is, whenever you are playing Broad Strike on your laptop, make sure you choose the nearest server. Don't choose, let me say for example, you choose North America. If you choose North America, if you are playing game, your MS will be 150 to 200. It will not go down. It will not stay to 31. No, it will stay to 150, 200 ms. It will never go down. So if you choose the closest region, if you are playing with the closest region, if you are in Nigeria and you are playing with Nigerians, your MS will be normal, because people you are playing with is close. Do you understand? Okay, if this video is helpful to you, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell, so anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you're gonna be the first to get it. If you look at my channel, you see all the amazing video that will help you. If you are streaming and gaming at the same time on your laptop, you can go there and see a bunch of video that will help you keep your laptop safe, optimize your laptop. Every video is there. So if you find this video helpful, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell, so anytime I drop an amazing video like this, you're gonna be the first to get it. Thank you.